In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your isometric plantar flexion. So plantar flexion is pointing the foot down into this position, and isometric simply means no change of the muscle fiber length when we do the activity or exercise. So what does that mean for isometric plantar flexion? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm firstly going to wrap the TheraBand or the band that you're using just below my toes. If it's too high up, it might ping you in the face. And then from here, I want to get an amount of pressure that I can really feel. And then from here, I'm going to come into plantar flexion and I'm going to stay there. So you might also want to toggle around with the position of your hands. For example, if I come up, I can feel it more. It eases off when I come down. So in this position, I'm holding my foot into plantar flexion. The resistance that I'm applying means that my foot, if I wasn't holding it in plantar flexion, would come straight back. And obviously we're holding it isometrically because we're holding the same position without a change in the muscle fiber length.